but I will, because I like to taste new foods. I'm very, very happy to come in this new country, to this new team, one big club with a lot of fans, and I'm very happy to be here. When the have when Bernardo sent a message to me, I want to come here the same time.
So when he talked to you and you want to come?
Yes, I decided to come here. Uh, Here grew up a lot. Every play speak about here, so I knew because a lot of people talking good things about here, about the country, about the football, about everything. I would like to work hard. I would like to score. I I have good shoot, good dribbles, good pass, and I will give my 100% for this club to achieve the goals for this season. I would like to be champions here. Bernardo with this club was champions, I think, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and I would like to do the same here. It's too early, but I like the people, I like the food, so I think it's easy for adaptation. Not yet, but I will try it, I will taste. But I will, because I like to taste new foods. I would like. I hear about the fans. The fans like a lot this club, so I will give my maximum for these fans. Now it's time to work hard for this season.